Ready to capture every angle of your world? Whether you're dreaming of epic panoramas, immersive VR, or just want to make your social media stand out, 360 cameras are the way to go. Today, I'm breaking down the best 360 cameras of 2025, so you can shoot, share, and relive every moment like never before. If you're curious about which camera is right for you, stick around, because I'll cover everything from budget-friendly options to the absolute best in the business. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which camera you think is the best fit for your needs. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Akaso 360. If you're thinking about trying 360-degree photography but aren't ready to drop a ton of cash on high-end gear, you're definitely not alone. Unlike regular photography, you can't just use your phone for true 360-degree shots. You need a dedicated camera. That's where the Akaso 360 comes in. It's an affordable option that costs less than half of what the top brands are charging, making it a great entry point for beginners or anyone on a budget. Now, while the Akaso 360 might not deliver the absolute best image quality out there, it actually comes surprisingly close in terms of the overall experience. The camera includes editing apps for both your phone and your computer, so you can easily create, tweak, and share your content without any extra hassle. If you're just starting out and don't need the highest-end tech, this camera is a smart way to dip your toes into the world of 360 photography. One thing to keep in mind, 360-degree footage is often used for short, animated moments, like bumpers between video clips or quick social media posts. With the included editing tools, you can easily create these effects, and honestly, high resolution isn't always necessary, especially for social media or well-lit scenes. In fact, this level of quality has even been used on broadcast TV for certain segments. So if you want to explore 360-degree photography without spending a fortune, the Akaso 360 could be all you need to get started. Number 2. Insta360 X3. Next up is the Insta360 X3, which was the go-to camera for immersive, versatile video. At least until the X4 arrived with its impressive 8K capture, surpassing the X3's 5.7K. But don't count the X3 out just yet. It's still a strong choice, capturing everything around you for easy 3D VR content, or letting you reframe footage into regular video. The software is a huge part of the appeal here. You can track subjects, create smooth pans, and choose your camera angles after filming, even if the resolution is a bit lower than the X4. For most quick action shots or social media posts, the extra resolution of the X4 isn't essential, making the X3's lower price even more attractive. It's still newer and more advanced than the GoPro Max, and it's packed with features that make it easy to use even for beginners. The X3 improved on its predecessor, the X2, with a more user-friendly design. It's easy to use one-handed or with an invisible selfie stick. And the touchscreen gives you access to all the key features. Plus, it's waterproof for a few meters without any extra housing, so you can take it just about anywhere. Number 3. Ricoh Theta X. Let's talk about the Ricoh Theta X. This is definitely a niche camera, but 360-degree photography is all about serving specific needs, like creating virtual tours or capturing real estate spaces. Whether the Theta X is right for you really depends on your content style. If you're considering it as an alternative to action cameras like the Insta360 X series, keep in mind its image stabilization isn't as strong, and vloggers might hesitate since you can't use an external microphone. So who is the Theta X really for? It's ideal for anyone who needs to shoot virtual tours quickly and efficiently. Just set it on a monopod with tripod feet, use its automated HDR mode, and capture a 62-megapixel image. Perfect for uploading to platforms like Matterport, which is especially useful for real estate agents and property managers. At launch, this feature set the Theta X apart, but its price and limited features can be a drawback for some users. For certain virtual tours, you could use the slightly higher resolution from an Insta360 X3 or X4, but the Theta X still stands out for its great color and low light performance. Even in average spaces, it delivers impressive results. While it lacks RAW capture for realtors or anyone who needs to create quick, high-quality virtual tours, the Theta X remains a smart, practical choice. Number 4. GoPro Max 2. After sparking excitement for 360-degree action cameras, GoPro took a bit of a backseat for a while, letting Insta360 and DJI lead the market. But with the launch of the GoPro Max 2, GoPro is back on top, especially for outdoor action in daylight where it truly shines. The Max 2 features impressive 8K resolution, and GoPro's true 8K technology claims 21% more sensor pixels than other 8K 360 cameras, resulting in noticeably sharper video. While low-light performance isn't its strong suit, this camera is built for action, and let's be honest, most adventures happen outdoors anyway. A built-in GPS lets you track movement and add dynamic overlays to your videos, which is a great feature for cyclists, runners, and outdoor enthusiasts. GoPro also includes all the essential mounting options, and the 6-microphone system stands out, allowing you to focus on specific sounds even after recording. The familiar 2-button interface and 1.82-inch touchscreen make it easy to use just like other GoPro devices. With 10-bit color and AI-powered subject tracking, you don't even need to point the camera perfectly to get high-quality results. For action lovers, the Max 2 is a powerful, user-friendly choice that's ready for any adventure. Number 5. Insta360 X5. Finally, let's talk about the Insta360 X5. Just like the Insta360 X4 before it, the new X5 quickly claimed the top spot in 360-degree cameras. For just a 10% price increase, you get more processing power, larger image sensors for better low-light performance, and a range of upgrades that make this camera even more versatile and cost-effective. Insta360's software is already among the best, making every camera in their lineup easy to use. The X5 takes it further with smarter auto edits and advanced subject tracking thanks to its extra processing power. You get a seamless experience across devices with a great phone app for iOS and Android, Insta360 Studio for Mac and PC, and plugins for Premiere and Final Cut Pro. You can even use a single lens at 4K 60 frames per second, making it a strong alternative to a GoPro. Durability is another highlight, with removable lens covers and replaceable lenses. Even after a drop test, the X5 proved its toughness, making it a reliable choice for any adventure. So, which 360 camera takes the crown? For unbeatable image quality, smart features, and all-around versatility, the Insta360 X5 is our top pick for 2025. If you want the best, that's the one to get. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this.